Hello and welcome to chapter 42 of the video tutorial how to set up an online shop with Dreamweaver and PHP. Well, going back to what we were doing in the previous chapter, which was about adding and deleting units from a product in our shopping cart and then checking if we already had such an item in the cart so that it doesn't create a new item but add one more unit to the existing item. I'm sure many of you have already detected a small mistake here. And it's that if, for example, I want to buy a product I had bought previously and I want to buy it again, for example Wellingtons, I think I had already bought them. I click buy and then it tells me my cart is empty. Why does this happen? If we go to Dreamweaver, remember that in trolley add we carried out the checking. If check existence is different from 0, then it updated as the number of units of the product, and if not, it inserted. What is the problem? It's that in check existence, this function here, that is also in our page functions PHP, we're telling it select me from table trolley where the user equals such and such, the product is such and such, and the size is such and such. But we haven't told it that this product must have the field transaction finished equal to 0. Okay. That would mean that it's the current cart, so to say. I mean, if we write and here, for example, and int transaction finished equals 0, okay, I save now, I come to the page again and try to buy this Wellington. It's putting it in the cart, okay. It was a detail that we left undone, okay. It always has to check that the product, apart from belonging to the user, having the same size and being the same product, it is also a product we've got in the current cart, not in previous carts. I will update here and you see this one has been created. I will order by int counter so that this makes sense. You see, it's the last check that. Remember that what we've got in 0 is what we've got in the current cart in transaction finished. Right, after this small break, what we will do is devoting this chapter and maybe another one to improve the aspect of our page, because, well, the page works, it's fully operational, you can buy in it, but we haven't paid much attention to the graphic design of it. Of course, we cannot upload the web with this aspect, it's totally unattractive. So, let's